What up, boys? What up, boys? Yo, big deals. What's that mean? Oh, big dips. Yep. What's up, man? I got my chart pulled up. I'm ready. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're gonna see if we can get a nice little trade here. I'm gonna be watching. Um, man, silver dumped. All right, gonna go on QQQ. Mark out some of our pre-market levels. I can see us literally just bouncing right at open. So watch your video on Rich Tech. Is it safe now? Safe to say it's cooked now? Yeah, right now I wouldn't be touching it. I don't think it's cooked, but I wouldn't be touching it right now. Is what I'm saying. Spire QQQ. I'm electing to take a look at QQQ this morning. So we filled this gap. Established some pre-market high and low. Yesterday's low. Today's pre-market high. And pre-market low. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, boys. Make sure you guys drop a like on the stream here. But yeah, we're gonna watch that. We're gonna see how this goes because I do honestly see a world where we do get a pretty hefty bounce at open. I also see a world where we don't because market's just been going down. So wouldn't surprise me there either. But would be nice to get a bounce. All right, we got 20 people in here, boys. Would you guys want a video on me posting about my most recent physical silver buy? Bought some physical silver. I'm not going live on TikTok this morning. I'm not. Honestly, honestly, I don't know why I wouldn't be. Let's also go live on TikTok. Might as well, right? Might as well, right? We'll go live on TikTok too. We'll just have the chart over here. All right, let me get this set up. Might as well go live on TikTok. Good point. Good point. Good point. All right. Is Discord getting a free play? Discord gets a free play every morning now. Free play every morning now for the Discord. So yes, sir. So yes, sir. Do you have a method on calculating how much you put into a trade, or do you just do it based off of how confident you are in the trade? That's a good question. I do actually have the like a number that I follow. So with the $2,500 account that's now a little bit or closing in on 4 grand. The silver leap's going to be down this morning, but who cares? But whenever I go into a trade like that, I'm normally looking for around 1,800 to 2,200. If I'm real confident on it, I might go 2,500. If I'm not so confident on it, I might go 1,800. But really, I'm confident on everything I take. So it honestly kind of more depends on what the contract looks like. So if contracts a dollar even, I might get 20. But if the contracts are $1.50, I might get 15. So it does depend, but as long as you're being safe with your stop loss and stuff like that. So, bro, watch Lily. I know Lily been ripping recently. It's like the only thing going up with this whole market. So, all right, well, got about 1 more minute until market's open here. So we shall see. We shall see. But yeah, I think we're getting to a point where market's going to slowly start to give us an opportunity to get back in. I'm not really worried about this being the top. If this was the top, I think we'd be in a lot more trouble. But if this level is to break, this would not be very good. Go ahead and mark it. From all the highs, Nvidia minus 14. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah. And yeah. No, it's kind of crazy, you know, S&P's only down a few percent, but everything else is down so much. That's why it's interesting. But yeah, market is now open. So, are y'all talking about gold? No, but I did just go buy a shit ton of silver yesterday. So, I am a big gold and silver guy for sure. For sure. All right, let's see how these first couple candles go. We'll watch patiently and see. I'm fine to take something in whether that is, you know, QQQ or something else. I don't think AMD looks too bad here if we can get a little curl up. But morning, Buzzy. Got my coffee. Shit, that's what I'm forgetting. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, how could I forget? How could I forget? Don't worry, I got the coffee. We're chilling. We're chilling. All right. And markets are puking already. All right. Well, this silver leap is not really helping out the option portfolio, but that's all right. That's all right. All right. Do you think Mag 7 will 2x over the next 5 years? That's a good question. It wouldn't surprise me, but I'm gonna say no. And I'm gonna say no because with market caps getting this high, like for Nvidia to double, that's $5 trillion in market cap. You know, it's possible. It's just a lot harder. So, Vic said, market is in extreme fear. You think it's a bear trap? I'm hoping for a recovery next week. I do. I don't think anything that we're seeing right here indicates that we're topping. You know, there was no blow off top type formation. There was no true, you know, like killer news. I know job data is not good, but job data hasn't been good for well over a year now. So, you know, it's an interesting case, but in the end, I think we'll be all right. All right, boys, we got about 2,300 to trade with today. We'll see what we're looking at for a trade. What? What do you think about MP buying OP? Question mark. MP, I saw the other day. Damn, dude, everything is wrecked again. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Some of these dips are just nuts, man. All right, boys. Y'all boys over here on YouTube, you guys looking at anything else? Are you in already? No, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. I'll let y'all know. You guys will be able to see how the orbicals come in on my side. All right. But yeah, I don't think MP's bad. I'm not a personal buyer of MP just because all that kind of stuff's so new and it's already up too much. But I don't think it looks bad by any means. Sold some serve because I got shitted on by it. Man, why? Why? I've been selling covered calls on my serve, and I'm down like $100 on the shares, but on covered calls over the past 3 weeks, I'm up like 148. So technically, I'm still in profit with Serve. Bitcoin is ass, bro. You think it's good? Yeah, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I think people just worry too much about the volatility. I mean, case in point. But I look like Charlie Kirk. Thank you. I mean, cool. I don't. I would have to disagree, but I think the bubble has popped. No, no, bubble has not popped. Bubble's not gonna pop because of job data. I mean, I own it as well. Ah, ha, ha, but I'm down 30%. Well, it just sounds like you got a poor entry. I'm not saying that I didn't. I mean, my entry's at like 10. My average cost is like 102, so I'm down a little bit. But like, you can't be too worried about that kind of stuff, man. All right, QQQ pulling back up a little bit. Brian said, "Do you feel confident today, buddy?" I feel confident every day. When you wake up looking like this, how could you not be? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Do you think Feds will cut rates? That is the question. That is the question. And that's actually a great question. Oh, this is a good candle from QQQ. Are we going to see maybe some life in the market? Oh no. SPY. QQQ. One green candle and I'm already... The dip's over. Snaggy man. Whatever that means. Whatever that means. Bro, I can't get this to... Is that better? A little bit. A little bit. We are alive. Oh my god, a green candle in the market? What the hell? Aura. Aura. What's up, Buster? Buy Strive? Yeah, for sure. Depending on how today goes, I'll buy premium. Hell yeah, brother. I'll be seeing you in there today. I'm holding a magnet to these candles. Don't worry, I'll save the market. Oh, shit, you're right. Where is my, Okay, guys, so this is what we're looking at today. How the hell do I... This is what we're looking at today. We just want, markets to get pulled back up by this. Obviously, obviously. QQQ and SPY, same shit basically? Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. I like trading QQQ just because it has a little bit more volatility. QQQ has a lot more tech stocks, so it's obviously going to be slightly more volatile. That's what I like. So that's why I like to choose, put a rainbow below. Let's see, what can we get? Okay, we definitely need a unicorn. Okay, okay. So we need a unicorn rally and we need it to follow this magnet. That's what we need. I'm not talking about of AI, I'm talking about the ones that burn 200 million every year. Yeah. Is that the same guy that said yeah. IDC lol, I don't think that you're I disagree. I'm just gonna say that. I do not think the bubble has popped. Nothing would indicate that the bubble has popped. When the bubble pops, you're gonna see almost every tech stock down 20% within the week. Easily. And I know a lot of them are down, 14, 15%, but that's within 2 weeks, and it was off no news. That really is going to impact these tech stocks. Yes, it's going to impact job availability, but they don't give a shit about job availability. I don't care. Do you recommend any vids to learn how to trade options? Already watched yours? Um, I can look around and try and find some. I'm not a huge video watcher, so I did a lot of my learning with AI and stuff, like just asking AI to, troubleshoot problems. And that has always worked well for me, but okay, I'm just gonna move this down. This is basically the same thing. All right. All righty. Okay, boys, if we see this happen, I'm gonna be taking a call. If we can see this candle close, obviously green, come back down, retest opening price, I'll be getting an entry on calls. Unicorns be flying up to the clouds. You're a smart man. Thank you. Thank you. That's definitely what I was going for. For sure, for sure, for sure. Okay, we're only down. Silver's getting hit a little bit, but that's okay. I don't know. RR is only down 0.33%. Is RR so back? All right, I want to see, dude. If we can get a retest of opening price, bro, we will. This will dead ass cook. But I don't know if we'll get that luxury. But that's ideal. That's ideal. That's ideal. Diego, on what? We're live on TikTok, or we're live on YouTube right now. You guys give signals on your Discord? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Every single day. Strategy vid is pretty helpful for learning. Yeah, yeah. That's what I recommend for sure, Evan. That one's a good one too. How you feeling about hymns? Not looking great, but nothing's happened with the company. The company's only gotten better. Yeah, they missed on EPS by like 2 cents. Doesn't mean anything. But do you have a G63? I don't even know what that is. I don't know what that is. If it's a car, I'm not materialistic like that. I don't need it. I don't need a cool car to validate myself. But to each their own. Markets are actually green. Oh my god, down. SPY's down 0.91%. QQQ's down 1.12. Not green, but alright. Is the media causing the red? The media. What do you mean by the media? Thoughts on RR? I got a $4.50 average. Until RR's back over, 4, I don't. Bro doesn't even have a G. What the fuck is this? Epstein. Bro, the markets are not crashing because of Epstein. Nobody gives a shit about Epstein. Everybody knows that he did it. That's why I don't understand. Oh, release the files. Release. Why don't you? Why do you think they're not releasing the files? Because he did it. Everyone that you think did it, did it. It's exactly why they're not releasing it, and they never will. But if you have a brain on you, it'll tell you that that shit's real. Or the reason that they won't release it is because it's real. All right, all right. Do I sell RR for a loss? Hard to say. I don't know what your portfolio looks like. I also wouldn't have gotten an entry there, so it's hard to say when it's not something I would have done. But we got 30 people over here on YouTube watching. What's up, boys? 30 people here on YouTube, 16 on. Damn, I got more on YouTube than on TikTok. That's crazy. We all know he did it. People just want to know everyone else participated in it. But like that's what I'm saying. Like at the end of the day, everyone who you think did it did it. So it's like what is them releasing it really going to do? Like if you need the validation that bad, I understand. But like at the same time, it's like they obviously did it. So like, I'm not political by any means. I have no view on politics at all. But I feel like anybody with a brain understands that they did it. I mean, come on. Why did you put the 2 lines on the first candle without reaching the third? Okay, so this bottom one right here, this one right here, this line is for opening price. This is the opening price line. This line right here is our lows from over here. And then the bottom line is the bottom line of our orb. So, do you think APLD will recover? Once again, who would ever buy silver? Me, boy. How you enjoy your coffee, Buzz? I'm going straight black today. Straight black. Look at that. Doesn't that look just delicious? This is QQQ, right? Yes. Yes, this is QQQ. All right, we got about a minute left until a possible trade. Who is ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? BBAI green today? It's already green? Wow. The percent RR is green? Psh, RR is green. What the hell? What the hell? A nice black coffee hits whenever you're feeling it. Yes, sir. You need some Vietnamese. Dude, Vietnamese coffee is so good, bro. Like hella sweet. That is pretty good. Alright, let's get ready to mark out our orb. Looks like this is going to be the high here. Okay, boys. Okay, boys. Now, once we do break one of these levels, you guys are going to see the call or put alert pop up. That does not mean to take it. That does not mean to take it. Please do not take it. Wait until I tell you. But does look like, oh shit, Nvidia is pushing. With Nvidia pushing, I am pretty bullish here. But like I said, I want to wait for calls. I'm looking at the 608 calls. Okay. I may even start to get a starter here. But I am looking at these 608 calls. I would like to at least wait until this 3-minute candle closes. Closest green to get in. But yeah, okay, we got some questions here. Oh shoot, I just got warned in your chat for saying the N-word. I apologize. Calm down, calm down. Do I take the Buzzbot call? Yeah, take whatever one you want. I'm gonna be live trading basically just another orb call. Kyle said, "How can I learn this?" We got a bunch of videos, but you should just low key roll up to my house, bro. Pull up. All right, if we hold on this 3-minute time frame, I might get half of my position, and then get the other half once we get confirmation with the 5-minute candle. But I do think that we push up. I think that markets do look good to push up here. I'm not going to be holding these long, but I think we can definitely get to pre-market high, which is up at 699.99 or 609.99. So we'll see. Hopefully this candle can kind of just stick here. We can get a retest on the 3-minute, see a bit of a pullback, and then get our entry, which would be nice. So, all right, boys. I gotta watch my contract over here, so I'm gonna have to get out of chat here for a minute. But are you gonna call the strike price? Yep. I'm looking at the 608 strike price right now. Planned on buying the dip today and wanted to wait a little to see the dip. Should I buy? I think the dip is wrapping up. I think you can get a little bit more downside, but I think this is a good time to start to DCA in the market. Justin, I love you too, brother. I bought Siri. Nice. Alrighty. Oh, you bought SoFi. I see. All right. Actually, I'm gonna look at the 609 strike. I'm looking at the 609 strike. I lied. 609 strike for QQQ. We'll alert the entry here, but if this candle can hold green, I'll look at taking an entry if we do pull back a little bit. Let's go ahead and get where are 921? Alrighty here. All right, now that we've gotten this green candle, we are going to wait for a bit of a pullback before we do get an entry. But I am pretty bullish on this candle here. So we want to see a pullback into about 50% of that range, and we'll go ahead and grab. Come on, pull back. Justin, if you want to see my stocks, I'm over on YouTube right now. I'm live on YouTube showing the chart and all that. I don't want to chase this. Really don't. Do we take a small entry here and then and I don't want to jump in and have us come back and retest then. What's your YouTube channel? The Bullish Buzz 1. The Bullish Buzz 1. Did you peep the beautiful EOS dip? Yes, I heard. Wish I had capital to dump into that. Yeah. Just took the Buzzbot call, and I'll take whatever you did. Yep. Looks like all the Buzzbot calls are good so far. I mean, all of them have been calls, and you can see they've all been well. So. Still just waiting here. I want to see us come back and pull back just a little bit so we can get an entry. Ideal entry would be right here, but we'll see what we get. Yep. Come back, retest. Retest actually this level right here. Or wait. Oh, I'm on the 3-minute, that's why. Oh, we want to retest. We want to retest at that level right there. Why is my Nvidia down 3? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Nvidia's down 0.015%. All I'm still watching here. Man, give me a better inch. Oh shit, I should probably start recording for. All right. This candle does not want to dip down. All right, I might get an entry on 10 starters here. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close here. But once again, we're looking at 609 calls. 609 calls on QQQ. There we go. Come back down, retest my levels. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, I'm going to look to grab 10 starters in just a second. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab these 10 starters now. All right, so we are in 10 starter contracts on QQQ 609 calls. We're already up $100 on these calls. Holy shit. Already up $100 on these calls. Oh, god damn it. I always forget that this doesn't work. I'm fine with these coming back down and being break even because I do want to get some more cons. So if these do come down, that's fine with me. But all right, I'm up 140 right now, 150. Here is the proof there, 150. Looking really, really good. Didn't even get a full size, so I'm not going to chase this now that we're already up 16%. We might just let this go a little bit farther. We're up 210 now, boys. Come on now. Come on now. Who does this? 240, 290. Come on. Come on. Come on. 330. Holy shit. Let's fucking go. All day, boys. All right, I'm taking a trim on 5. I'm selling half the position. We just trimmed. All right, we made 180 on that first position. We are up 205 or 43% already, boys. Holy shit. Let's go. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Type shit, boys. We have 215 on these runners right here, 40%. We're going to take another 3 of the 5 at 50% and then let the last 2 go. So once we see 50%, we're going to trim. Once we see, probably say 25%, we'll probably just get out, take all the profit, and be done. But fuck yeah, let's go, boys. Let's go. Good shit. Good shit. And I see people in the chat over here on TikTok talking about how the AMD call went well. Yes, it did, boys. Let's go. And the market does not look like it's slowing down. I think that we can easily get back up to 606. Easy. We could let these fuckers ride, too. All right, maybe I'll take 2. Nah, I'm going to take 3. We're going to follow the plan. I'm going to take 3 off at 50%. We have already locked in over $200 in gain. We have $200 sitting here that we are currently chilling with. So, 47% here. Getting ready for this trim. All right, our average price was 99 cents. Contract price currently is $1.44. So we are at 45%. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm putting my limit order at 1.48. All right, guys, I am out of another 3 contracts here. We are now up 55%. What a trade. Simply what a trade. Holy moly, boys. All right, and we'll let the rest of these 2 contracts ride here. What a trade. Man, I'm so happy I got that for y'all. Let's go. All right, let's see. Anybody in the chat make some money? Anybody in the YouTube chat over here make some money, boys? Come on now. We should only have runners left. Only have runners left. They're up 30% now. We're going to cut them at 25%. We're going to still take a good hefty chunk if these do come back down. So put a trailing stop loss. Right now, my trailing stop loss is 10%, so I'm going to be selling at 25%. So no matter what, we're taking at least 25% on the rest of these. We took a trim at 35% and 45%. Dude, if I would have gotten a full position, bro, this would have been like a $600 trade. Damn. Yes, 50%. I'm seeing flames in the chat. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. And QQQ is looking ready to continue to climb, bro. Made 10 bucks. Nice. Hell yeah. 50% you the man. Let's go, boys. These cons are back up around 45%. Still looking really, really good. We got 2 left. We've already taken trims and we've already secured profit. Hell yeah, boys. We are up 215 on the day for our options account, and our silver leaps are down like 200 bucks, which is totally fine. But back up 50% on this position here. 46, 44. But we'll continue to watch this. Like I said, if we can break over 602.22, we might have a 100 bagger for free. Gave this play out for free as well. Join premium, y'all. Get tons of plays in there. Yes, sir. I gave you guys one play here. Premium I've seen has already gotten around 8 alerts this morning. We are banging 52% here. 51% here on SPY. 58%, 61%. Oh no. Are we going to get that 100 bagger screenshot? Let's go. Let's go. I'm getting text from Dean telling me that he's up hella too. Let's go, boys. Let's go. We are cooking today. We are cooking. Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah, boys. Still at 52% here. 56. Man, thank God I got that coffee, bruh. Holy shit. Yeah. I mean, who does this, bro? Who does this? Who can do this live on YouTube and on TikTok? Come on now. Come on now. All right, stop loss is now going to be at 35% now that we have pushed up a good bit. I have no problem just selling these 2 contracts. We're going to lock in $100 in gain. No reason to push this. But we're up 50% still. I would love to see us hit this 606.22 level, but let's go. 606.22 would be great. That should be damn close to 100%. Should probably be about 85, and if we can push over that, we'll be good. Switch to cash account on Robinhood, and then you can trade as much as you want per day. Yep. Yeah. Damn, I wish I didn't sell 4 of my 6 calls. Would have been up way more. Hey, profit is profit. Do not be mad about that. Profit is profit. Ray the Dawn, I'm up 26% on my first SPY trade. Congrats, brother. Feels good, don't it? It feels good, don't it? She do feel good. Can't lie to you, cuh. Let's go, boys. And we have some more buying power. We could possibly get another trade in. So, all right, boys. These contracts are coming back down. I am going to be looking to get a trim here if we do not hold 35%. All right, I'm getting my trim. I'm out, boys. All right, we're out. Let's see the damage. Let's see the damage. Okay, keep in mind, my silver leap is down 280 bucks. That is okay. Silver will be back. But we are up 187. We just made a good little chunk on the Qs right there. Let's go to QQQ. Look at this most recent trade. Let's go to, okay, so we bought 10 contracts for, okay, we bought 10 contracts for $990, and we sold 5, making 320, or well, 110, 150. All right, so altogether we made a little bit over 350. I'll have to check when we get back on the phone here. But a great trade, boys. Great fucking trade. Good shit. Great trade. And you know what that means, boys? You guys are getting another live alert tonight. Another live alert tonight. Or another live trade, sorry. Ray the Dawn said, yes, thanks to you, bro. Oh, shit, it was my... Dude, Bro, nothing makes me more happy than seeing y'all make profit off stuff that we put out, man. Nothing, there's not a better feeling, man. There truly is not a better feeling. Truly is not a better feeling. And this QQQ call went out in live. We could say, all right, if you guys are in here, go spam that chat in the public chat and let them know what they are missing out on with premium, bro. Come on. We just did all of that for free. I mean, if I can't prove that it ain't worth it. I mean, I don't know what else I could do. But once again, guys, we are fully out of these. They're still up 35%, so if you haven't gotten your trim, go ahead and take it. If you want to let them ride, if you want to let these one or two cons ride, go for it. But I never have an issue with just taking my trims, getting down. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, boys. We gotta. QQQ 609 calls from 99 cents to 1.52. There you go. Hey, bro, are you using leverage to trade? I'm using options, so yes, but I'm not using leverage. I'm not doing like, 2x leverage QQQ or anything like that. I don't like that. I'm trading options. The unicorn cooked, damn right. My QQ call is not going up. What do you mean? We're out. One, we're out, and two, we secured 50%, and I can show you the proof. Little eyes for me. Hell yeah, boys, let's fucking go. And Nvidia kind of looks like it's reclaiming a level here. Once again, I do have a little bit more BP. I would not be opposed to getting back in because I do think that we do get a good close to the day. Like, I think we have a pretty strong day here on the Qs and on SPY here. So, what is this coming from? What is this from? I think that we get all the way back into this range, bro. Call me crazy, but I think we seriously might get back into this range. 72 by the end of the day? We heat up with SPY here? Jin Alfano, you must have gotten in too late. Yeah, we made 50%. Are you going to do another live trade? I'll stay live here and watch it for a while. Once if opportunity arises, yes. If not, no. But we'll see. That's how I'm feeling. I'm out, but Loki won in again. Hey, you gotta take it slow. Take it slow. Okay, we've already made great profit. Do not throw it away. That is one of the things that I struggled with most when starting to trade, and learning how to trade was learning when to stop. You know, learning when to stop because you can win one trade, you can probably win two trades, but the more trades you take, the more chances you have to lose. Really. So if you're taking one trade a day, cool. Your odds are whatever your win rate is. So right now for me, it's about 70-30 that I win or lose. Right. Recently, it's been about damn near fucking 100%. I haven't lost in fucking forever. But point being, if I go into a trade after this and lose all the profit that I just made, now I'm two trades in, used up all my buying power. I was green, now I'm flat or red, and that's not good. And then you have to chase yourself back out of that hole. And if you lose again, then you're down more. And it's just, you don't want to start that pinwheel of screwing yourself over, you know what I'm saying? But I do understand that. And let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. Man, yeah, smoke, and that's just one because You just have to remember there's always more days to trade. There's always more opportunities. Yes, it's a Friday and you have to wait until Monday. That's fine. But that gives you all this time to look at the cool, I just saw you post your profits. Dude, you made what? I mean, 120, 80, 200, 329. You made like $500. You made over $500. Yeah, you just made over $500, man. You don't if I were you, bro, I would put the shit down and go have some fun, bro. Go touch some grass, go chill, go do whatever it is other than trading, man. You had a great day. I would leave it at a $500 gain and call it good, man. Personally. I might be an idiot here and I might chase a little bit, but what's it to you? Are you on TradingView? Yeah. Yeah. I'm on TradingView here and then I just switch over to Robinhood to take my trade. I just have it on another tab here. But yeah, Como 207 on the day with us being down 254 on this fucking silver leap, which is pissing me off. But that's all right. That's all right because we went and bought some. Oh wait, hold up. I do have a question for you guys. Yeah, I'm done for today. Made 2x on my workday. Yeah, bro. Yeah. See, that's how you got to look at it, and that's when you actually have to move on. All right. Once again, though, do you guys want me to post a video about these the silver that I bought? Do you guys want a video on that? Um, Ray the Dawn, I do like SoFi, but like I went and bought a bunch of these silver coins as a long term investment. I don't know if anybody would be interested to hear about it, but it has been interesting me, So I thought I might make a video on it. QQQ is pressing up right now, but yeah, like I got some of these. This one's pretty sweet, you know. So if anybody wants a video on that, shoot me a DM. Let me know, and I'll make a video on that. So. All right, I'm gonna check in on a video because that call didn't look too bad. Nah. Damn, AMD back from down 5%. Holy wow. Holy wow, buddy. Holy wow, buddy. Alright. Like I said, man, I think we could, if I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to push anything, but cool. I need to start on TradingView, setting up a PC right now. Have a blessed day. Thanks again for y'all doing it. Can't wait to join Premium. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We'll see you in Premium, brother. Trust me, it only gets better. Trust me, it only gets better. If I'm giving this out for free, you can only imagine what's in Premium there. Next TJR, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't need no Koenigsegg to make me happy though. I'm just kidding. TJR, he seems cool. He'd be saying some crazy shit, but he seems chill. There we go, boys. We got 45% on our AMD alert that was sent out to our premium as well. Bang bang, first successful option trade. Let's go, boys. Hell yeah. Vic said, "Gotta get to work. Good shit, Buzz. Thank you, brother. Are you gonna go live again on Monday? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Still pushing these calls. I'm not in these calls anymore. I'm not in these calls. Probably about to hop off here. Look, you gotta take a dookie. This coffee's getting to me. But alright, hold up. I'm getting a call from Pops here. What up? Oh shit. Alright. Boys, I'll be right back. Daily morning dookie type shit. Come on, bro. When you kill it like that, you get a little excited, and then you just gotta take a dookie. Like, how's Onda? Shit. Let me take a look at Ondas. Up again. Up again. Looks great. I'm gonna stay on QQQ here though, because QQQ does look a little bit better. But I'm not hating this from Spy. I honestly do like Spy calls. We'll monitor here. See if maybe we can get a break and retest of this kind of flagging formation, whatever you want to call it here. Whatever this is. We need to do that. So possibly. But I think it's about that time. I do have to dookie. So I will be seeing y'all later. If this call does work out, I'll send it out for you guys. But